All right, gentlemen, let's bring it in. I wanted to bring you captains together before I told the whole team. We got some good news and we got some bad news. Good news is that we made the playoffs, gentlemen.
Hey! I told y'all. Let's go.
Talk about, man.
Oh my goodness. Woo.
The bad news is looks like we have Titans at first.
Man, you know we can't beat the Titans. Listen, man. Listen. They not that good. We're better. It means more to us. When this first started, Coach told us that we'll be winners. I thought he was full of shit. I hated y'all. I ain't want no parts of it. But we became a team. You know what? Coach was right. We not losers no more. Man, all we gotta do is go out there and show it one more time.
I'm with you, bro.
I'm all in, man.
You know y'all can't do this without me.
Looks like we all in. So team on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Team!